For 2022, Toyota has unleashed the most powerful Tundra ever made. And now, thanks to a host of new features, it's also the most off-road capable. The third-generation Tundra is packed with technology and engineered with features that let drivers truly carve their own path. And thanks to some seriously sophisticated tech behind the scenes, Tundra now makes it easier than ever to tackle a range of conditions and grades without changing anything other than a dial setting. Here's a closer look at some of Tundra's top features that make it such a great off-road companion. Tundra's off-road toughness starts at its core with an all-new body, fully boxed high-strength steel frame, and multi-link rear suspension with coil springs. From there, rugged and lightweight materials like aluminum body panels, available TRD aluminum front skid plate, and underbody protection help ensure that Tundra is stronger, more rigid, and ready to handle rough and rugged terrain. And when it's time to really test the elements, all-terrain Falcon tires can help take Tundra's off-road capabilities even further. When the going gets tough, Tundra gets you going thanks to a part-time four-wheel drive system available on every grade. That means more power and more control at the wheels. And thanks to its 2-speed transfer case that multiplies output for seriously challenging situations, Tundra can go from a quick mover to a capable climber instantly. If the road less paved ends up being sand, gravel, or any other terrain that might pose traction challenges, Tundra has you covered with an available electronic rear differential lock, which can ensure power makes it to a wheel with traction. This is the first time the technology has been offered on Tundra, and it's designed to help keep you from getting stuck in the mud. Need more traction? Tundra now comes equipped with available multi-terrain select that works in both four-wheel drive high-range and low-range modes for extra levels of grip. Simply select the appropriate terrain setting and go. When activated, this smart system helps regulate wheel spin, braking, and throttle response to increase traction on dirt, mud, gravel, or whatever the elements may bring. And drivers don't have to second-guess their driving input decisions. Sometimes the terrain gets steep. Real steep. With Tundra's all-new available crawl control feature, speed and acceleration remain consistent in one of 5 low-speed settings, which enables the driver to focus just on steering and navigating the terrain ahead. Now, steep inclines, cliff sides, and boulders can be scaled by even a novice using this super convenient and capable feature. When tackling tough conditions, you never know what obstacles or obstructions might get in the way. That's why Tundra's available multi-terrain monitor system helps provide a full perspective view around the entire vehicle with just the push of a button. Whether approaching obstacles on the road, backing up into a tight space, or maneuvering Tundra through challenging situations, this system is designed to help drivers visually ensure they're always in the clear. That's a quick overview of some of the features that make the 2022 Tundra such a tough contender, and the latest chapter in Toyota's off-road legacy. To learn more about Tundra and its off-road potential, visit Toyota.com.